always keep your feet on the ground and remember where you came from. And do you want to answer that question? When I became an actor, how did you feel?
Like any other person. Bernard Shaw was asked when he went to China, how was the Great Wall? Like any other wall. I mean, my reaction would be, that whatever you do, you have to do sincerely and passionately. That's all that I keep on saying. That when he became a star, we were excited and very happy.
And no star must have ever given you such a good answer in his whole life. It's the best answer I've ever heard in a press conference.
But yeah, just to answer your question, I think the first thing both my parents told me and my dad told me was always keep your feet on the ground and remember where you came from. And I didn't realize that till in my 14 or 15-year journey. I have seen a lot of actors that have come and gone, probably, and gone, where you see a certain attitude that is developed, and I'm sure a lot of the media out here would validate what I'm saying, and you don't understand where that comes from. So my father always told me that just remember where you came from, and if you understand where you came from, there's nothing you can really lose in life. बहुत मुश्किल होगा ना? I mean, if I had 550 rupees, which I always say, in the Bank of Maharashtra in Agripada, so how much can I lose? If I go back to zero, I'll lose 550 rupees. So it's just a thought of how you want to chart your life out. So my parents have instilled a lot of value systems, and one thing my father told me is that 1 rupee is still 100 paisa. So be very careful with how you spend your money.
So how many 100 paisas do you make per movie?
I also tell them all, this is for all young adults here. I also tell people that one most important thing is the nobility of a man is known by the way he treats his subordinates.
Yeah.
To your superiors, you can be very, very nice, but the way you treat your subordinates, that shows your nobility.
It's very important.
Very true, very true.
John, Jyoti from E24.
Yes, speak up, my dear. We can't hear you.
जॉन, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि जिस तरह आपके फादर आपके आइडियल हैं, तो आप किस तरह से आप अपने आप को किस तरह से फादर के रोल में देखेंगे जब आपको एक बेटा या बेटी होगी आगे चलकर?
जी, आज के तारीख में
He's practicing, don't worry.
Well, मैं अपने डैड को काफ़ी फॉलो कर रहा हूँ in terms of just how he leads his life. और इनफैक्ट on a very serious note मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि काफ़ी प्रिंसिपल्ड है अपने डीलिंग्स में. और मुझे तभी पता चला कि आई एम माई फादर्स सन जब ही फुटबॉल मैचेस के लिए हम लोग गुवाहाटी गए थे, और वहाँ पे काफ़ी ऐसे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स है who want favors, ये वो. And then I realized that we don't do favors for anybody. Everything has to be done honestly and straight. So I think at the end of the day, ये मेरे आइडल इसलिए है क्योंकि he leads a very simple life. वो बहुत ही ईमानदार है, बहुत ही honest है, and I really appreciate that about him. और शायद I think this is all that we all learn from our parents.
Well, John, she's asking actually basically the long and the short of it is, when are you having a baby? You gave us a long answer. That's what she's actually, am I right? Huh?
Okay, haven't planned yet.
He's practicing, but he's practicing.
I'm a sportsman.
One last question. He's a boy.
I'm a boy.
Oh, you mean about the baby? Okay.
You think just because
it's illegal to find out, you know that?
No, I feel they think if I produce Wiki Donor, I can determine what sex my child is also. So it's a little difficult.
We won't count that as a question. We'll have to ask one more. Yes, hi. I'll give you a mic, my friend. Where do you want to go?
Sorry.
Yeah.
John, my question to you is, in an Indian culture, and why I'm asking you this is because I'll tell you that later. In an Indian culture, for a man, it's a very difficult thing to say, hug your father and say, Father, I love you. Papa, I love you. You know, I'm saying this because 5 months back I lost my father, and I couldn't say that. And I urge everyone that if you want to say that, please say that. It's never too late. Say that on a Father's Day, say that any other day, but please say that. Have you ever hugged your father and said that I love you, Father?
Well, I've never really directly told him I love him, but I hug him a lot, and I hug Mom. But I think you're right. I must take a cue from you, to be very fair and honest. I think I need to do that. So I'll do that now. So I tell my dad I love you, and I really do love him. And he's a wonderful man, and I think you've hit the nail on the head. I think it's important. This is important. So thank you.
Very important. I would
It's
Yeah,
never
it's
too
never
late.
too late.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, last question.
Yeah? We're done?
Just one more question.
Sorry.
Last question.
Who's that? Come along, no worry. Give him a mic.